Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we learned about and or and how we can use them uh, for applying multiple conditions in the where clause. For today, we have the last one in the comparison operator. You remember that? No, logical operators. You remember we have or and also and for logical operators, and also we have not. And also we have not. Here not, it means that like reversing the conditions. Okay. For example, when the condition doesn't meet, for example, in the previous lesson or here, for example, if we say like this one, country equals to the US, this is a condition. When we use not here, it will make it the opposite. So if it is not from the US and we say not, it is going to be the opposite. It is going to make it true. And the same thing for this one. If it is true and we use not, it is going to be false. Well, it is kind of confusing, so let's apply it here to explain it more. Okay, so we have here is the condition. Here, country equals to the US. Okay? If we apply this one, it is going to take only the ones that the country is from the US. Like this one. And also we have this one. So this is the result. We have Alice and Charlie because they are from the US without using no. Because they are from the US, so this is going to be the result. But if we come to here and we write not, it will reverse, it will shift it. Country equals to the US, not. It means the country is not from the US. So make it opposite. So it will come to here and country from the US, yes, but we said not. So it will be ignored. So we ignore what met the condition. So this one met the condition, country equals to the US. It met the condition, but because we use not, so we are ignoring it. Here we have the UK. It met the condition, but because we use not, it will be shown to us. So it reverses the condition. So it is like making it, instead of equals to, it making it like doesn't equal to or doesn't equal to, not equal. Okay. So here we have the US, from the US. Here it meets the condition. We have not, so we ignore. Here in Canada, not from the US, not from the US. Yes, it is not from the US, so it will be shown. And the same thing for here. We have UK, not from the US, so yes. And Canada, not from the US, so it will be shown also. So these are the ones that we have. So let's apply to the VS Code and come to here. We have, if we apply this one, country equals to the US, we have only the ones from the US. Let's just add not to it. Control A, Control A, Control A. So we have only the customers that are not from the US. So this is the meaning of not. It makes it the opposite. Equals to the US, not equals to the US. Okay, let's try another one. Like sales greater than 1,000. If we say sales greater than 1,000, it will come to here and search for the ones that are greater than 1,000. Like this one, Alice, Bob, and Diana, and Fiona. These are the ones that will be shown because greater than. But if we say not, it means the customers that the sales are not greater than 1,000. Only it will show us the opposite of the condition. So it will come to here, greater than 1,000, yes, but because we are using not, So we don't want greater than 1,000. We want less than 1,000. So here it equals to 1,000. It is not greater than 1,000, so it will be shown because it says not greater than 1,000. So if it is equals to or less than, it will be shown. This one is less than 1,000. It is the opposite of this one, so it will be shown to us. And here it is greater than 1,000, so it means the condition, but because we are using not, it means we are not going to show it. We want the opposite of the condition. So here, is it the opposite of the condition? Yes, it is not greater than, it is smaller than. So it will be shown. The last one, greater than 1,000. Yes, it is greater than 1,000. So it will be ignored because we are using not. So when we use not, it means we want the customers or the rows that doesn't meet the condition. Let's apply it here. So we want, let's say, sales greater than 1,000. Control E, Control A. So we have only the customers that are greater than 1,000. Okay. But when we come to here and we say not, it will give us the customers that are not greater than 1,000. So we have 1,000, it is not greater than 1,000, so it will be show. And what is less than 1,000 will be also shown.